And as far as pricing, $59.95 on the salon price, and it say salon value $82. So we'll put the for sure price on the screen. But that's what we got.
Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on, right? I don't know how this look right now. I usually do my camera, but I got my phone today. So I'm just trying to revert back to how I used to record on my phone. But anyway, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Getting a little bit of that. But so the reason why I'm here today, I just came in to the shop, all right, and I got a package. And it's a package from Stylecraft. And this is the first time in a while, I have no idea what this is about to be. So I thought, why not pull out the camera, the phone today, and open this up and see what this be. Because by the packaging of it, I don't think it's a clipper. So I'm honestly confused on what it might be. It's new to me, so. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna open it up real quick. First time seeing what this is, right? Open this up, get this plastic off. So in my mind, I'm thinking it's like a pad or something, like a clipper pad type thing. Like I said, have no idea what this could be. I came in, seen it at the door. So as I open it and see what, let me see if y'all can, as I open it, y'all gonna see it at the same time that I see it, right? Uh-oh, make sure I don't drop nothing. Got some pamphlets. Okay. Pamphlets of different stuff. Okay, so by the opening of it, I'm guessing it's the new Uno that they got released. Yes, all right. So they got all kind of papers in here. We're gonna see what all that say. But so we got a brush, a nice little fading brush that will be used. We have a charging stand that hopefully will work with this Uno. Then another brush. But okay, so it is the Uno that came in the package today. So now let's get plastic off of this. I got an appointment on the way, but I got a few minutes. So let's get the plastic off of this. This is my number one, my one foil shaver that I've been using. I like the babeless, but it's bigger. It got more power, but it's a little bigger. So I use that more than, I guess, just for the single foil. I use this single foil from Stylecraft, like up under the nose and stuff, just finishing up a little lines and stuff. But all right, so we do have the Uno, super close cutting, ultra thin, 130 minutes of runtime, USB-C, which is everybody going to USB-C, 60 minutes to get a full charge, corded or cordless use, but you're probably going to use it more without the cord. 9,000 RPM. I don't have the box to see how much this is and see if there's actually a big difference. And it does have where you can use the charging stand that it comes with, but it comes in different boxes, I guess, to keep it small. 9,000 RPM, forged blade, crunchy blade, protective cap, pocket size, 130 minutes of runtime, same old thing. But open it up and see what we got. Feels a little bit more solid than the original one. Not too much, like literally small portion bigger, but pretty much the same design for the most part. The Uno 2.0. This one is more plasticky, and this is plastic as well, but it seemed like more of a matte finish versus the glossy finish of the original Uno, and got the black top with still got the gold cutter though, So pretty much the same build. So boom, that's what I got in my box today. I just came in today and got surprised with a new package. And I'm gonna have to clean up this mess here in a second too. It's all good. And then we got the charging dock, which will only work with this one because this one is the old charging port and this has the USB-C on there. So boom, fit right on there. Nothing wrong with that. So we're gonna put this to use. Like I said, I just came in and it was in front of my door. So we're gonna put a charge to it. But boom, little quick unboxing of a we were surprised together. So yeah, and we'll come back with a review of that. See if there's really any difference, if there's anything worth the upgrade. And I will get the other package for the original one to kind of compare. All right, because I've been using this one back to back. Like I've been using the shit out of that. So I know that works. It works good for me. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And if you want to buy this from Stylecraft, use my discount code Cuts by Reggie. Or if you want to buy anything from Stylecraft plus Gamma plus Stylecraft, discount code Cuts by Reggie. And we'll be back. Peace.